Wow. On this episode of Unboxing, we're going to check out one of the coolest accessories available for the Mavic Pro, made by PGYTECH, an LED propeller guard with color-changing lights. Wow! Coming up next on Unboxing. Unboxing, the show where we open the box so you don't have to. Welcome to another edition of Unboxing, and I've got something cool for you guys today from PGYTECH, the LED propeller guard set for the Mavic Pro. Hands down one of the coolest accessories you can get. They make this specifically for the Mavic Pro, and I do believe they make it for the Spark. I'm not sure of many other drones, but their most popular model is for the Mavic Pro. This runs $75 on Amazon. There's going to be a link below the description, somewhere down there, to this product. And going backwards, I will also put links to the products from the first unboxings. I forgot to do that. So let's get right to it. Basically, this is a self-powered, rechargeable system, and it operates by using the headlight switch on the remote, which you'll have to set either C1 or C2 on the remote to get that working for you, and we'll go right into that. So without further ado, let's get into the box. Use the old trusty knife, make a little incision on the top here. Alright, and let's get right into it. This is one complete set, so let's go ahead and pull them out carefully. That is one. And that is two. And for now we won't be needing this box, but this one will probably be a keeper, so we'll just go ahead and put that aside. And what we've got here is basically some packing foam. Let's go ahead and remove that. That's one, two. That opens up nicely like that. A little bit of a twisty tie. Probably recharging cable. We'll get to that in a second. And we'll undo these. And it just folds right open, so there's not going to be much assembly going on here. That is the instruction manual. And we'll put that to the side for now. So let's get these laid out. And we just happen to have a Mavic Pro handy right here. So we're going to go ahead and get this mounted to it, just to show you how this works. Alright. Just carefully place the drone here. And if I remember correctly, the high side is forward. So we're going to go ahead and use this one right here. Let's have a look-see here. Actually, it looks like LEDs will be facing downwards, so I had it right the first time. And basically it's got these two quick lock connectors, which we're going to mount onto the drone like so. And you want to just click that on there. And same thing for the other side. Not much to it. And of course you want to make sure that actually clicks on, which I did not do. Voila, when you hear the click, you're good. And we're going to go do the other side. Fit and finish is very good. It just slides right on there. We'll hold it up so you can see what we're doing. Just have to get that centered on there. Move the prop out of the way. And this one's not cooperating. I don't have it set right out. because I have the clamp closed. Make sure the clamp is open. All right. And we've got that secured on there good. Not hearing the click from this one. There we go. All right. So that's how she looks. Definitely gives it a more substantial size. The stock propellers clear just fine. There's rumors that the low noise propellers don't work with this, but we'll be investigating that. All right, there we go. That one wasn't clamped on there. So you want to make sure you get these guys clamped on good and tight. And look at that. It's got a little bit of power in it. So we are good to go there. So that's what it looks like. Basically, the LEDs are facing downward on it, and we'll cut the light here in a second so you can get a better look at it. Now, the way these are activated is the headlights that are on the front, there's a photo cell inside them, and when you activate the headlights on and off by using the C2 or C1 button, which you can program, it will turn the lights on and off and change the pattern as well, I believe. So that's what we've got right now. Let's get the radio fired up and see how this thing looks. All right, I've got the drone set up. We're going to go ahead and power it up. And you'll note that the lights, because they're picking up the signal from the headlights, they're changing color as it's powering up. All right, and what you're going to want to do is go into the settings here for the controller, and you're going to find this little symbol right here for the radio. And what you want to make sure is that one of the buttons, I've used C2, has turn on and off headlights. I'm keeping C1 as camera forward and down, but I'm leaving the C1 button, or I'm sorry, rather the C2 button, to use as the headlight button. And as you can see by pressing the button on the bottom, which is right here, I'm adjusting the LEDs on them.
Home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And it looks like our home point's been updated. So once you've got that set, you only need to set it once. The LEDs will work just fine. So let's turn the lights off for a second and let's see what kind of patterns we can get here with it. All right, we've got the lights off so we can better see it. And right now I'm going to cycle through the different modes that are available. So pressing the headlights for the first time gives you green. The default is blue. Another press, you get red. This is actually yellow. It's coming out kind of whitish on camera. It's kind of a turquoise. More of a pink color. And this is actually pure white. And then we get into some different lighting effects. Overall, there's 14 different modes, with the last switch setting being off. And that is the last setting. And turning it back on, defaults back to blue. So as you can see, the LED propeller guard from PGYTECH is an outstanding addition to your Mavic Pro. It's very well made. The fit and finish match the quality of the Mavic. And although it's a little bit pricey at $75, it's one of those items that seems to be well made and looks like it would be worth it. Also, the fact that you can control it by remote, integrated into the headlights, so you have adjustability by remote at any range. That is superb and just adds to the enjoyment of this product. So I look forward to reviewing this in depth, and we're definitely going to be getting some video shots with this particular item. So hope you enjoyed this episode of unboxing, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one, where we've got some more Mavic Pro accessories to cover, and pretty soon we're going to be taking to the air with all these new toys and seeing how they look. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time on unboxing.